In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image quickly and cleanly. Cropping is a simple move with a big impact. It lets you tighten your composition, remove distractions, and guide the viewer's eye to what matters. Whether you're preparing a social post, trimming a portrait, or refining a landscape, a good crop can instantly make your image feel more intentional and professional. First, select the crop tool. You can find it in your toolbar. And the fastest way to get there is by pressing the C key on your keyboard. When the tool is active, your image will display a bounding box with handles around the edges and corners. You might also see helpful guides, like a rule of thirds overlay, which can make placement and balance easier to judge. Next, drag the edges to frame what you want to keep. Pull a corner handle to adjust both width and height together, or use a side handle to make more subtle changes in one direction. Think about your subject's placement. Centering can feel calm, while aligning with a thirds guide can add energy and balance. If your subject is a person, leave a little breathing room above the head. If it's a landscape, pay attention to the horizon and try to keep it straight. You can also click inside the crop area and drag to reposition the image relative to the frame, which helps fine-tune balance without changing the overall size of the crop. As you refine, scan the borders to avoid cutting through important details like fingertips, text, or the edge of a product. It's often helpful to zoom in briefly to check the corners for distractions or unwanted clutter. If you're aiming for a specific aspect ratio, such as square or 16:9, keep that shape in mind as you adjust so your final crop fits its destination. Take your time here. A few small nudges can dramatically improve the composition. When you're happy with the framing, press enter or return to apply the crop. This commits your changes and updates the image to your new composition. If you realize you preferred the previous version, you can undo right away and try again. And if your software supports non-destructive cropping, consider keeping that option enabled so you can revisit the crop later without losing pixels. That's it. Select the crop tool, frame thoughtfully by dragging the edges, and press enter to commit. With a careful eye and a steady hand, you'll create cleaner, stronger images in seconds.